Plotagon here. Season 1, Episode 1, Rosie watches Jennifer, gets grounded. Grounded.
Oh my, cheese 2 animation groupers, making grounded videos out of me, non-stop. Him or yeah, won't watch Jennifer gets grounded. 3, 2, 1.
Sea breeze, sunshine, and my very own cruise ship. Life doesn't get better than this.
I'm the captain of Chill! Jennifer, how bloody dare you buy a cruise ship?
Mum?
That's it! You're grounded for infinity years! Jennifer! I'm coming for you!
Giggle snort!
All right, miss, that's enough. Come with us.
Just joking.
Jennifer, how dare you prank people? That's it, you're grounded for 282,837,362,781.
Come to Papa.
Oi, stop right there!
Hands where I can see him, mate.
Nicking mobiles, not on our watch.
You're under arrest, little fella.
I can explain!
Liam, how dare you steal iPhones? That's it! You're grounded! Jennifer, how dare you buy Lululemon? That's it! You're grounded for...
Halt, young lady. What's in the shirt?
Nothing.
Hand it over.
Jennifer! How dare you steal those labubas? That's it. You are grounded for 82829307911.
Copy. We've got movement on the tree aisle. Over.
Hands where I can see 'em, miss.
Jennifer, you fuck! How dare you steal Christmas trees? That's it!
You stole candy!
Jennifer, how dare you prank people in the middle of the store? That's it! You are grounded for 8227639 years!
Oh. Purchase!
Oh, she is a beauty.
Jennifer Piglet! How dare you nick my credit card and buy an entire cruise ship? You're grounded for 99,999,999,999,990.
Haha, that's so funny. That's better than Peppa Pig. Oh no, it's my dad. Rosie, how you watch Jennifer gets grounded. That's it. You're grounded for 5 days. Go to room now. Washington area.